Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is the homework, the check of, we will check the homework, inshallah, that we had previous period. The question says, use the following guided words to complete the sentences below. Number one, compressibility. Number two, indefinite. Number three, definite. Number four, compressible. Number five, incompressible. Number six, solid. Number seven, liquid. Number eight, fluid. These are the guided words you would use to fill the blanks. Okay. The question number one says, okay, you can write your pen and use your pen to write answers in front of you. Okay. Number one, a gas and a liquid are similar in what? The answer is are similar in what shape, but different in what shape? Hamza want to answer? تفضل يا حمزة.
Mr. Are similar in indefinite shape, but are different in compressibility.
Excellent, excellent, Hamza. Thank you very much. They are similar in the indefinite shape. They both have indefinite shape. Okay, but they are different in the property of incompressibility. Okay, well, thank you, Hamza. طيب. Number two, gas is dots, but liquid and solid are dots. What is the similarity between the gas from one side and the liquid and solid from the other side? Who wants to answer? محمد المؤتمن wants to answer. Okay, تفضل يا محمد.
Gas is compressible, but liquid and solid are incompressible.
So gas is compressible, but liquid are and gas and solid are not compressible. Excellent, Muhammad. Thank you very much. Okay. The question number three, plasma. Mr. What is plasma? As we agree together, the plasma is considered to be special case of the gaseous state. Simply, you can say that the plasma is ionized gas. Plasma is ionized gas. The normal gas is composed of molecules. Okay, the normal gas is composed from molecules. But the plasma is composed of ions instead of molecules. Okay, so this is the difference between them. Now, inshallah, we will continue explaining. This is another homework. I didn't send you this homework, but inshallah, you have to. Let's discuss it now. Okay. Hamza Murad wants to answer. تفضل Hamza. Bismillah.
Mr. I don't answer, but I have a question.
تفضل يا حبيبي.
Can you please, when you finish, like in the last 5 minutes, can you just like re-explain the first part because I didn't get it?
Okay. Did you see the video or attend the previous class?
Yes, I did, but I came late because the Zoom wasn't letting me enter the class.
يحيى زرور. لو انا بقرا الاسم صح، لو قريت الاسم غلط فسوري، بعتذر لك. اتفضل.
لا مستر، بس كنت رافع ايدي بس عشان اجاوب اللي قبله ونسيت والله.
طيب حبيبي شكرا. اوكي. احمد منصور، بسم الله. اتفضل يا احمد.
what happened
اتفضل يا احمد.
zoom in او ثواني انا هنزوم.
احمد
ايوه يا مستر
اتفضل يا دكتور.
I'm zoom بس ايوه. Find the mass of 0.5 liter of mercury if its density is 13.6 kilogram per liter.
ها.
ال density equal mass over volume. لو
تمام.
عايزين find the mass يبقى volume يبقى ها؟
use the triangle. يعني use the triangle يا احمد. اوكي.
طيب يبقى density times volume فتعمل 0.5 times 13.6 اللي هتبقى.
Thank you احمد. Respect. Thank you very much. Thank you. طيب. The second question say what happens to the density of each of the following. This is a very important question, by the way, and it's one of the questions those are frequently asked in the exams, and it's asked in the book. Yani, there is some question like this in the book. What happens to the density of each of the following? Number one, oxygen when pressure increases. What will happen to the oxygen when pressure increases? We don't have direct relationship, by the way, between the pressure and the density of oxygen. Okay, but we have a direct relationship between the density density of oxygen and volume. Okay, so how can the volume shows us the effect of the pressure, of increasing pressure on the density? Huh? I think Hamza wants to answer. تفضل يا حمزة.
Question 2, right?
Yeah, question 2, point number A. Point letter A.
What?
Again?
It will increase.
بالظبط. Excellent. ممتاز حمزة ما شاء الله. طب ليه why حمزة sorry.
Because when we increase the density,
when we increase the pressure,
when you increase the pressure, the particles will move faster and the density will increase.
طيب بص حمزة، انت قلت لي انك كنت جاي من سات، من اي جي.
لا انا كنت جاي من سات.
ها؟
من سات.
من سات. طيب كويس ان انا افتكرت البوينت دي. كان في ناس محوله من اي جي. تمام. الناس اللي محوله من اي جي دول لو سمحتم يبعت لي على الكلاسيرا يقول لي مستر I was IG او اي حاجه because I have to make them، يعني هعمل لهم discussion room عشان هيحتاجوا شويه حاجات زياده تمام عن اللي زملائهم بيدرسوها. خلاص، فاقول لهم الحاجات دي عشان تساعدهم وتبقى بالنسبه لهم هيلفول ان هم يقدروا يكملوا باذن الله رب العالمين في السات. ما تقلقوش، ما فيش حاجه خطيره يعني في المعلومات الزياده. خلاص، لكن علشان يبقى انا بس يعني ايه اديت ان شاء الله رب العالمين ايه الوجه تجاهكم يعني. فتقولوا لي اعمل لكم ديسكشن روم على الكلاسيرا. تمام. والديسكشن روم دي احط لكم فيها شويه سبيشال ماتيريالز تمام خاصه بيكم انتوا، بحيث ان انتوا تبصوا عليها تعرفوها علشان تبقى ان كونتكست مع مع زملائك اللي بادئين من معايا. تمام. يا ريت على طول في اقرب وقت يعني. طيب شوف يا سوري يا احمد منصور. بص حبيبي. We said that as we increase the pressure, what will happen to the volume? ها يا احمد. هو احمد طيب اوكي. مش عارف ممكن يكون الانترنت قطع عنده ولا ايه؟ انا مش لاقيه. خلاص ممكن يكون الانترنت قطع. طيب ها يا جماعه احنا we said that as the volume increases, as the pressure increases, what will happen to the volume? تمام. As the pressure increases, the volume will decrease. طيب when the volume decrease, what will happen to the density? The density will increase. The density will increase. Okay, so simply we can say that as pressure increase, the density increase. Why? Of the gas, only the gas. Okay, why? Because the gas is compressible. The gas, this question is very important. By the way, you may find this question in SAT exam in form of multiple choice طبعا. Okay, or you may find it also in the quizzes and the monthly exams and so on. Okay, well, so again, the answer, because answer number A, right after me, because not because before saying the reason, let's say what will happen. That as we increase the pressure on oxygen, the density will increase. The question, why? So the answer of number A, density will increase. Okay, the pressure is why. في بدر وائل wants to answer. بسم الله اتفضل يا بدر.
Mr. Can I answer number letter B?
طيب يا بدر بس اخلص خليك معايا دلوقتي ما تعملش ميوت لنفسك لغايه لما اخلص السؤال نمبر ايه وتجاوب letter B.
Okay.
ان شاء الله. طيب so the question is because the oxygen is compressible. So as we increase the pressure, the volume decreases. The volume decreases. The volume of the oxygen decreases. So the density increases. طيب why the volume? Why when the volume decrease, the density will increase? Because the volume, the density rho equal m divided by v. So rho and v here, it's not numerator, it's what? It's denominator. So rho and v are inversely proportional to each other, which means as v increases, the rho decreases. As v decreases, the rho increases. I hope it's clear, inshallah. تفضل يا وائل. Answer number B.
Water, when pressure increases, the density in solid and liquid doesn't depend on pressure, so it will stay the same.
Excellent. ما شاء الله لا قوة إلا بالله. ممتاز. ما شاء الله ربنا يحفظك. جزاك الله خيرا بدر. So excellent بدر. As Badr said, the pressure will not be affected. Why? Because as the density of water will not be affected. Why? Because water and solid are not compressible. So if you increase the pressure or decrease the pressure on them, their volume will not be affected. Okay? طيب ممتاز. Now